ओम नमः शिवाय। दोस्तों, आज बड़ी विचित्र टॉपिक पे हम बात करने वाले हैं। दोस्तों, टैटूज हैव बिकम integral part of our personality across cultures. Though I don't advocate the practice of tattoo creation for mainly two reasons. कि एक तो the body which has given to us should be unadulterated. Tattoo is a lifetime thing, it's kind of a permanent thing. So any kind of adulteration in the body or tampering with the body is not advisable. Secondly, it is it is a painful process, pain inflicting process when you get a tattoo. So I don't advise any abuse to the body in any painful procedure or anything. I don't advocate that. But yet across cultures, across places, tattoos are becoming more and more prominent and common these days. तो किसी तरह से आप यदि टैटू लेना ही चाहते हैं, करवाना ही चाहते हैं, तो आई एम हेयर टू हेल्प यू आउट with astrology nakshatra symbols. Astrology nakshatra, there are 12 zodiac signs, as you all know, and if you dig deep inside these 12 zodiac signs, there are 27 nakshatras. And now every nakshatra has certain devata, certain symbolism, that is the symbol of the nakshatra itself, and an animal totem, an animal symbology associated with it. By any means, if you use these symbols in any form, it's not necessary that if you only get a tattoo they will give you results. You can use them in the form of paintings, pictures, at your workstation, in your phone's backdrop wallpaper, in social media, etc. I'll be making a video shortly on how to use them on social media very soon. But right now we are talking about tattoos. And if you see the history of tattoos, it was a more kind of a tribal thing. Tribal people जो होते थे वो एक part of identity होता था उनका tattoo. So now one by one we will be discussing 27 nakshatras. Like I said, there's a devata. There's some common devatas like Rudra, Agni, Varun, Mitra. Those tattoos can be done, or the animal totems, animal symbols, or the symbolism of the nakshatra. So एक लाइन में मैं आपको हर नक्षत्र का सिंबल बताऊंगा और उससे उसका सिग्निफिकेंस, लाइक व्हाट पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ इट विल ट्रिगर, that also I'll tell you, and this will be based on your moon nakshatra. Likewise, if you want to trigger certain area of life, for example you want to trigger your work, your relationships, so then that planet of yours should be which nakshatra that planet is occupying. So आपको कुछ दिक्कत है तो आप महर्षि एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल सेंटर में संपर्क करें, हम आपको हेल्प करेंगे. बहरहाल बात करते हैं सबसे पहले नक्षत्र अश्विनी नक्षत्र की, जो आता है एरीज कॉन्स्टलेशन, एरीज जोडिएक साइन में, मेष राशि में सबसे पहला नक्षत्र है अश्विनी. तो इसका जो सिंबल है हॉर्सेस का है. द टोटम इज ऑल्सो अ हॉर्स एंड द सिंबॉलिज्म ऑफ द नक्षत्र इज ऑल्सो हॉर्स हेड, एंड द देवता एसोसिएटेड विद दिस नक्षत्र आर द हॉर्स हेडेड गॉड लाइक Ashwini Kumar. So everything about this nakshatra has to do with horses. So if you have this nakshatra prominent, if you get a horse tattoo done, so what it will trigger is it will bring your life into motion. Some kind of speed, some kind of swiftness. Any portion of your life is, if it's stuck, it will kind of push it and give a move to it. Ashwini nakshatra. Next is Bharani nakshatra. It's the second nakshatra in Aries constellation itself. So the symbol associated with it is the vulva, the female organ, the vagina, and the animal associated with it is elephant. So either getting an elephant tattoo or the vulva, vagina, but vagina is not practically possible. So rose Rose flower symbology also can be done, or some Devi picture, some Devi. It could be any female goddess. That picture can be done on your as a tattoo. Next nakshatra is Kritika, the symbol of which is that of a sharp object like a knife or a scissor. And the devta of this nakshatra is Agni, and the animal is a goat. Now, goat is not a very what usual thing to get a tattoo of a goat. But like I said, any of the sharp objects theme, or fire, Agni, on some similar lines you can have certain tattoo done. Rohini, it is a beautiful nakshatra. It is a nakshatra of attention, Rohana Shakti. It is the nakshatra of mesmerizing masses. Okay, so the symbol of Rohini nakshatra is that of a chariot, Rath. Rath ka symbol, koi chariot ka symbol, or the animal symbology associated with it is snake. Or this Rohini nakshatra was the birth nakshatra of Lord Krishna. Okay, so you can either have a chariot or a snake or Lord Krishna photo, this tattoo done, or it is the exalted nakshatra of moon. So you can also have a tattoo of moon, or simply writing the word moon as a tattoo if you are a Rohini nakshatra native. Next is Mrigasira nakshatra. It is a nakshatra which is always in the quest of search. The symbolism of this nakshatra is that of a deer. So deer or stake. And another animal totem of this is that of a snake. So deer or a snake can be done. Aradhra nakshatra. This entire nakshatra, it falls under Gemini. It's the entire nakshatra of Lord Rudra. Okay. So any Shiva picture, Shiva, Rudra form, or the dancing Shiva, or that of or the animal symbol associated with is that of a dog. So either Shiva, Lord Rudra, or a dog, or the Trishul of Lord Shiva. That also could be the thing. Next nakshatra is Punar Vasu. The symbol of which is that of a bow and arrow, a quiver and an arrow. So a bow and arrow, or the animal associated with is that of a cat. Next nakshatra is Pushya. Pushya is a nourishing nakshatra associated with abundance. So a cow picture can be done as a tattoo. Cow along with the calf, such a symbolism can be, is in line with Pushya nakshatra, and that will bring abundance, prosperity in your life. Aslesha nakshatra is one of the most wondrous nakshatra. Aslesha, the symbolism is that of a snake again, or a coiling serpent. So a snake is very prominent, or a Shesh Naga. Vishnu along with the Shesh Naga could be the thing, or for that matter, anything which is coiling like a serpent. You can work on those lines, and it will bring Vishla Ashleshana Shakti. It will bring a kind of hypnotism, charisma in your personality. Okay, Magha, a very wonderful nakshatra, a royal nakshatra. It is a nakshatra associated with real estate, prominence, power. Okay, so it is Magha itself means a king. Magwan means a king. So anything which has to do with king, either a king's picture, any king, or the ताश के पत्ते का हुकुम का जो इक्का होता है from the deck of playing cards, the king, that one, or the king's crown or the king's throne, or for that matter lion, because this Magha constellation falls under Leo, so lion. So that will bring power, prominence in your life. Okay. Next is Purva Falguni. Purva Falguni means a blossoming flower. So either any picture of a flower is advisable, or the animal which is in line with this nakshatra is a rat. Next is Uttara Falguni. Uttara Falguni symbolizes a bull. So a bull picture, or again a flower picture. Okay. Next is Hasta Nakshatra. It is a nakshatra associated with fulfillment of desires, and the devta of this nakshatra is Savitur, and the planetary ruler is Moon. So either you could have a hand symbolism, palm, hand symbolism, or sun or moon. Any way it works. So that will kind of bring the Hasta energy in your life, and it will fulfill most of your desires in this birth. Next nakshatra is Chitra. Chitra, as the name suggests, Chitra. These are the ones, like among all the nakshatras, Aradra and Chitra. Aradra, which we discussed earlier, and this one Chitra. These are the people who will be more, be more inclined towards getting a tattoo done. Because Chitra, as the name suggests, it's a picture. They want to decorate themselves. They want to decorate their surroundings. So Chitra, the prominence associated with this Chitra nakshatra is that of a tiger. So tiger symbolism goes very nicely with Chitra nakshatra. Next is Swati. Swati, a sword or a warrior holding a sword could be the thing for Swati nakshatra natives. Vishakha nakshatra, again a tiger symbolism is good for Vishakha nakshatra. Anuradha, again a wonderful nakshatra, falls under Scorpio. Okay, it is the nakshatra of friendship, cordiality, good relationships, healthy relationships among people, positivity. So the symbol of which is that of a lotus flower. So either a lotus flower, or the animal totem associated with is that of a deer, or something in line with the devata of which is is the Mitra. So Mitra, Om Mitraye Namaha, or Mitra, it is the one of the form of sun god. Or as I said, it is the nakshatra of friendship. So writing some quotes or something related to friendship, friends could be the thing. So that will bring a very, harmonious relationships in your life. Next is Jyeshtha. Jyeshtha nakshatra again falls in Scorpio, but there's a lot of difference between Anuradha and Jyeshtha. Jyeshtha is all about power. It is the devta associated with Jyeshtha nakshatra is Lord Indra. So either getting a tattoo of Lord Indra himself on his elephant, or the symbol animal totem associated with is the deer. Any one of this can do. Mula, the Devi is Kali. Either getting a Kali or Kali Yantra. It's a very basic geometrical diagram. Kali Yantra, it's a downward pointing triangle. Either you could get a Kali picture or a Kali Yantra. Or the animal totem associated with is that of a dog again. So anything related to the dog. After Mula comes Purva Ashad. Okay. So the symbolism associated with this is a monkey. Then comes the Uttara Ashad, which signifies a triumphal archway. The big gateway through which elephants and horses used to come in the times of kings and rulers. That is the triumphal archway. Then comes Shravana. Again, it's very beautiful nakshatra of Lord Vishnu. So either any Vishnu picture, you can get a tattoo done, or the animal totem associated with is the monkey, or Lord Hanuman, or Shravana literally means to hear, to listen to something. So Shravana natives can like a headphone device, like a headphone, okay, or it could be like the Gandhi ji ke teen mandar, बुरा मत सुनो, बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत कहो. Either those, or for that matter, something intellectual, some proverb, some mantra, you can get a tattoo done for Shravana natives. Next is Dhanishta nakshatra. The symbol of which is that of a Damru, and it is the nakshatra associated with wealth. So either you can get a Damru done, or you can have some currency embossed as a tattoo. Either it could be rupee, drum, dollar, any currency symbol, you can get it done. After Dhanishta comes Shravana. Okay. Shravana is again a beautiful nakshatra. Not Shravana, but Satabhishak. Shatvishak. It's a wonderful nakshatra which symbolizes 100 stars which form a circular ring. So anything which is circular in shape is in line with Satvishak nakshatra. Okay, so any tattoo which is circular in shape, or Lord Varun, or Jhulelal, or the animal totem associated with is that of horses. So this symbolisms are capable of giving you a lot of fame, and you know it can give you a lot of fame and stardom. Okay, next nakshatra is Purva Bhadrapada, which signifies a lion symbol. Uttara Bhadrapada, which symbolizes a cow symbol, and the last nakshatra is Revati, which symbolizes an elephant. तो आप करके देख सकते हैं ये इस अगेन जैसे मैंने कहा, जरूरी नहीं कि टैटू आप किसी भी फॉर्म में सिंबल्स को आप यूज कर सकते हैं. आपको उसके ऊपर ज्यादा असिस्टेंस चाहिए, आप महर्षि एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल सेंटर में